Unlock hidden power in your favorite Android apps without spending a dime. Today, we're diving deep into a game-changer for your Android experience, making the Nano Banana Pro features completely free. First, you'll need to have the standard Nano Banana app installed on your Android device. If you don't have it yet, head to your App Store and search for Nano Banana. Once the app is installed, open it up. You'll see some features are marked as Pro and require a subscription or purchase. Our goal is to activate these Pro features without any cost. We'll be using a specific, safe method to achieve this. The key is to find and install a specially modified version of the Nano Banana app. Think of it as a certified unlock tool for your app. You'll need to visit a trusted third-party APK repository. Be cautious and only use well-known and frequently updated sources to avoid malware. In the search bar of the APK site, type Nano Banana Pro APK and hit search. Carefully examine the search results. Look for a file that explicitly mentions Pro in its name and has a recent update date. Once you've identified the correct file, tap the download button. You might get a warning about downloading from an unknown source. This is normal for third-party APKs. Wait for the download to complete. You can usually see the progress in your device's notification bar. After the download finishes, go to your phone's Downloads folder and locate the Nano Banana Pro APK file. Tap on the APK file. Your Android system will likely prompt you to allow installation from unknown sources. You'll need to enable this setting in your phone's security options to proceed. Navigate to your phone settings, then security, and toggle on unknown sources or a similar option. With the setting enabled, tap the APK file again. You'll see an installation screen. Tap Install. Once the installation is complete, open the Nano Banana app. You should now find that all the Pro features are unlocked and ready for you to use. Enjoy the enhanced functionalities and elevated mobile experience that these free Pro features bring. You've just supercharged your app without spending a single cent.